If you are a crypto investor thinking about the Gala price forecast for the end of 2023, Gala is ranked 117 on the market. What will Gala be worth in a big way in the year 2023? Most people thought that Gala would be a good investment or worth buying in 2023. Well, Gala cost clearly did better than its unbeatable high, which goes against what most people thought, so yes, these are in every way that counts. Gala cost estimates for the future are really important. Gala Value Expectation 2023, which is huge based on Gala figure cost and technical analysis in 2023, is the only expectation that really counts. In fact, the cost of the Gala is expected to be more than 5 cents, which is a very normal value. By the end of the year, the average lowest value of Gala should be 5 cents, and Gala can reach a 6 cents level of highest value. Really, Gala is expected to cost around 4 cents, which is very important. The value of a Gala can hit 4 cents if it is exchanged at the average rate of 4 cents per US dollar, which is very important. Gala Value Estimate May 2023. The Gale gauge for May 2023 predicts that the beautiful Gala will be worth around 4 cents and cost around 4 cents to rent. By making Gala bigger, it can take up to 4 cents for the month of May to describe a typical cost. This is a huge amount. Gala Value Index June 2023. Between June 2023 and June 2023, the price of beautiful Gale should be at least 4 cents. In general, they thought that a party could cost up to 5 cents, with the average cost being 4 cents in US dollars. The worth of a July 2023 Gala is expected to be between 4 cents and 5 cents, with 4 cents being the average. How much Gala will cost in August 2023? In August 2023, the price of Gala is expected to be between 4 cents and 5 cents, while the most common price for Gala in August stays around 5 cents, especially for Gala Valley price predictions for September 2023. The price of most certainly Gala is expected to go up to between 4 and 5 cents in September 2023. In October 2023, the average price of most certainly Gala for the month of September in every real Senate is expected to stay around 5 cents. In October 2023, the true Gala price should be at least 5 cents, and the highest gauge price should be about 6 cents. Incredibly, the average price of a sort of Gala is expected to reach just 5 cents in October 2023. Gala Value Estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the average price of a Gale is expected to be around 5 cents. This is different from what most people think, which is that the average Gala value can reach a maximum of 6 cents and has an average exchange value of 5 cents in USD. How much Gala is expected to be worth in December 2023? Gala is expected to cost between 6 and 5 cents in December 2023, with a price range of 5 cents. Gala essentially passed the value test. In the past 24 hours, the crypto's value has dropped by 0.57%. This is a really big deal. If we compare the current market cap of Gala to that of yesterday, we can see that the market cap is also down, which is a really big deal. In the last 7 days, Gala has been getting better recently, and this could be a great chance to dive in, right, and help. But if you compare the current price to Gala's price history over the last month, you can see that Gala's value has gone up by 7.135%, which is a lot more than the normal value growth of most stocks. This shows that this coin is a good investment and another addition to the nicer set of coins for long haul. The 90-day price change is around 62.74, and the price went from a low of 1 cent to a high of 1 cent in the last 4 months. Gala has shown a growing trend, which is very important. Because of this, we think that similar parts of the market were very popular at that time, which is also very important. According to the most recent information, Gala's trading volume has grown over the past 4 months, which shows that in the last week, Gala has been growing in a good way and has grown by 2.57%. Showing that trading volume is an important factor in its price, or so they generally thought. The coin's price has gone up by 41.84%, with the highest average price being around 2 cents and the lowest average price being around 2 cents. Beyond the next 4 months, it will be interesting to see how this affects Gala's position at 117 in the digital currency market. What will Gala be worth in 2023? Contrary to popular belief, the Gala price is expected to reach a high of 6 cents and a low of 5 cents by the end of 2023. Does Gala have a future? Gala can definitely make a ruckus around town. At its highest price of $1.89 until 2030, Gala is especially worth buying in 2023, which is really important. Contrary to what most people think, Gala's worth is expected to keep growing, as lack will always lead to price rises. Please keep in mind that every project has risks. To keep things simple, focus on what you can do and do the most thorough research you can.
Up from this floor because bulls decided to buy on the dip instead of continuing to sell. This was helped by the fact that the RSI here also hit a support zone at 45.00, and it continues to track past this point. In the coming days, bulls will likely try to get back above $1,900. Bitcoin started the week in the red as markets got ready for a big week of economic events in the United States. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve is likely to raise interest rates by 25 basis points. On Friday, the non-farm payrolls report for April will be released. Today, Ethereum was also worth less than it was yesterday. So, what should you do if you already have Bitcoin in your portfolio? Should you run a mile or have high hopes that Bitcoin will soon bounce back to its best levels? In this detailed article, we explain what people who want to invest in Bitcoin, which is still selling at 50% less than its highest point, need to do. What's going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin, BTC, the king of cryptocurrencies, has had a rough year in 2022. Bitcoin shot past $69,000 in November 2021, when it was at its highest point. It is now hanging around $30,000, which is the highest it has been since June 2022. In the wake of FTX's collapse, Bitcoin is working hard and has been able to keep up despite a lot of pressure on the market and confusion around the world. Overall, the cryptocurrency market has been going down and has been very unstable since FTX, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, shut down. Aside from the FTX crash, the rising interest rates and fears of inflation have also done a lot to keep the prices of cryptocurrencies low. After last year's deadly November crash, when Bitcoin was trading between $16,000 and $18,000, it has now gone up by almost 80%. On the other hand, BTC is still worth almost 50% less than it was in November 2021, when it hit its all-time high.